What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Steam account step by step, and this is going to be very easy and quick. So first, simply open your browser and sign into your Steam account. From there, you can then click on your username at the top. Then simply go to account details. Now next, you can then scroll down and select delete my Steam account. So Steam will then explain what happens when you delete your account, including losing your games, wallet, funds and items. And after that, you can then click proceed to account deletion and complete the verification steps. So this usually includes confirming via email. So once confirmed, your account will then be scheduled for permanent deletion. So if you don't cancel during the waiting period, your Steam account will be fully deleted and can be recovered. And that's it. So that's how to permanently delete your Steam account. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.